What's the meaning of allegorical? Allegorical. 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 Allegorical.
Allegorical refers to a work of art, literature, or other creative expression that uses symbolism and metaphor to convey a deeper meaning or moral lesson. Rather than being taken at face value, allegorical works are intended to be interpreted and deciphered by the audience in order to uncover their underlying significance. This technique has been used throughout history in various art forms, such as paintings, sculptures, and literary works. By layering meanings and symbolism into their works, artists and writers can create powerful messages that resonate with audiences long after they are created.